All right, let's begin. Discover Uniswap, the revolutionary peer-to-peer exchange now available on Celo. Dive into automated market makers, ditch order books, and enjoy permissionless trading. All right, the first is very easy. We're just going to swap an asset, one asset for another on Uniswap Celo to WETH. WETH is wrapped Ethereum. So you're locking Ethereum in the main chain and you're issuing this wrapped token in the Celo blockchain. So when you come into Uniswap, you go into swap right here. You select your chain right here. We can see that Celo is the one being selected, but there's a bunch of different options. We choose the token that we want to swap. And here I will choose wrapped Ethereum. You can see there's a bunch of options. I'm just going to go with the first one. And I'm going to give 2 Celos, which is almost $2. And we're going to receive the same amount, but in ETH. So we're going to swap. The fee less than one cent, because again, Celo blockchain, extremely fast, extremely cheap, is one of the main value propositions. So we're going to do this. We're going to get prompted on our wallet. We're going to set up the spending cap. We're going to approve it. And now once we set the spending cap and we approved the token swap, we can do the final signature and then the swap will be executed. And we sign, and now we have to confirm. So the approval of the tokens, you only need to do it the first time that you are actually executing the trade with those tokens. So it's not something that I have to do every time. And that's it. The swap has gone through and it cost us less than 1 cent. The balance here is not updating, but I'm sure if we go to our MetaMask, we will be able to see the difference. You can see now that we have 5 Celo instead of 7, and the token is not showing, but we could import it if we wanted to. But anyway, that is the transfer.